Well, ladies and gentlemen, here I am at Whole Foods Market in Charlotte, and here I am going to compare the difference between this and a regular UK store, differences on what things are called, and well, how it looks inside. See you inside. And please don't forget to subscribe if you want to know when more stuff like this is coming out, as I am in America for a little while yet to come. Thank you very much for watching. Well, I've never seen that before. Arugula? No. It's rocket. Basil? No. Basil. Orange cauliflower. Bloody hell. Purple cauliflower. Whatever next. Green onion? No. Spring onion. Organic beets or beetroot. Oh, we've got zucchini squash here, or courgettes. Where's the sour cream, eh?
In China.
No sour cream, eh? Bloody hell. I've got to say, I'm really impressed with the sausage selection. This looks so nicely laid out as well. And the bacon as well. Bloody wonderful. Very expensive in there though. My god, it just looks amazing. Amazing. Heinz vinegar. Well, I never thought they did vinegar. It's a new one for me. Got some Carolina kettle. Looks nice. Yeah, I picked myself out some chocolate, cherries and almonds. Oh yeah. Well, some decent selection of yogurts there. Yeah, Fage ones there. Definitely got them back at home. Seen enough of them at Farm Foods. Yeah, quite a good selection. Quite a lot. Juices. Oh, milks rather. And of course, the strange sizes, shapes. Bulk up your pantry or larder. I discovered that Rao would seem to be the most popular bolognese sauce over here. And here we are, a goods train in Charlotte. Oh yeah. And here we are, Target, not Walgreens if you watched my previous video. See what's what.
No.
Oh, they are finished.
What?
They are finishing here.
Finishing?
No, they have the make finish.
Oh, yeah.
Is that, I don't know if that's UK or US, I have no idea.
Right here.
No, we don't have dryer sheets. What are dryer sheets again?
These, you got them in the dryer. They make your clothes smell really good.
Oh. Okay.
They smell good, right?
Yeah, it does smell good.
You like this one?
Snuggle, yeah, it's nice. Alright, shut out. Head and Shoulders Classic Clean, that's what I use back at home.
Is that shampoo?
It is. Do you want it?
How much is it?
No. Oh, I don't think it was. Yeah, as we're down this way, I noticed we have Clairol, Garnier. Don't think we have Revlon, and yeah, it's a lot of similar, same. Okay then, this is a new one to me. Alright, giggly goo. Sugar bombs, eh? Flavour rocks. They missed the U out of flavour, but okay. Nice arrangement of fruit and veg. Yeah, just as what I was expecting. Eggs in the fridge. Check this out. These weird shaped milk bottles. Don't get that back out. Cheese aisle does not look bad. And instead of mature cheddar, they call it sharp cheddar. Just been drawn over to this chocolate milk. Oh yeah. Oh. Mountain Dew. Oh, refreshing. And here's the crisp section. Lovely crisps or potato chips. And guess what? No extra charge for plastic bags. And after our shopping, we've got a nice beautiful night sky. Check that out.